Hey everyone, welcome to the first chapter of class 7th geography, the environment. So in this chapter we'll try to study what are the basic concepts of environment. So we'll try to understand what exactly is environment, what are the components of environment, and what are the growing threats. So before moving further, let us look at the components of environment. So यहाँ पर तीन components दिए हैं. One is natural, जिसमें air, water, land, living things सब कुछ आ जाता है. The other one is ह्यूमन मेड, जिसमें ह्यूमन मेड सारी की सारी चीजें जैसे बिल्डिंग, पार्क्स, ब्रिजेस, रोड्स, इंडस्ट्रीज, ये सब आ. थर्ड इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कंपोनेंट विच इज ह्यूमन, बिकॉज ये ऊपर वाले दोनों कंपोनेंट्स को इन्फ्लुएंस करता है ना ह्यूमन कंपोनेंट में. सो इंडिविजुअल लाइक यू एंड मी, families, community, religion, education, educational institutes, economic, political situation किस तरह की है, they all come under. Now from that you can conclude that all the places, people, things and nature that surround any living organism is called environment. In short, किसी भी living organism के चारों ओर जो भी जगह, लोग, चीज़ें जो भी है जो उसको सराउंड करती है, इट इज़ नोन एज द एनवायरनमेंट. तो एनवायरनमेंट के दो कंपोनेंट है जो बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. वन इज द बायोटिक component and other is abiotic. Now biotic is the world of living organisms like me and you, plants, animals, ये सब के सब biotic components हैं. Abiotic is the world of non-living things like लैंड इज देयर, मिनरल्स ना. अर्थ का जो सबसे ऊपर वाला पोर्शन है जो कि हार्ड टॉप लेयर जो कि हमें विजिबल है, विच इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द सॉलिड क्रस्ट, उसको हम लिथोस्फीयर बोलते हैं. इट इज मेड अप ऑफ रॉक्स एंड मिनरल्स एंड इट इज कवर्ड बाय thin layer of soil. So it is basically an irregular surface जिस पर बहुत सारे landforms हो सकते हैं like plateaus, mountains, plains, valleys. These landforms not only found on continents, they are also found on ocean floors. So lithosphere is the domain which provides us forest. lithosphere पे होंगे grassland जिससे grazing के लिए use किया जाता है, land for agriculture, human settlement. So these all are provided by lithosphere and it is also a very good source of mineral wealth. Now the other domain is referred as hydrosphere. It comprises various sources of water and different types of water bodies, rivers, lakes, seas, oceans, and it is essential for living organism. So one thing that you have to understand is not only it contains the water of river, lakes, oceans, but the water which is present in atmosphere in the form of dew, moisture, वो सब का सब hydrosphere में. The last domain is the atmosphere. It is the thin layer of air that surrounds us. इसमें सब तरह की गैस. What is an ecosystem? Now let us try to understand with the example called human beings. Now as human beings हम एक दूसरे पर बहुत ज़्यादा dependent रहते हैं survival. So as a community we also depend on our surroundings. So हमारा आपस का क्या relationship है living organisms के साथ, और हम सब का मिलाकर क्या relationship है nature के साथ, that is known as the ecosystem. So it is defined as all plants, animals and human beings that depend on their immediate surroundings. It is clear. So often they are all so interdependent on each other. So this relation between living organisms and the relation between organisms and the surroundings, they form an ecosystem. Human environment. Now what is a human environment? So human beings, they interact with environment and we modify it according to our need. So that is known as the human environment. Now earlier जो situations थी, तो earlier जो human थे, they adapted themselves to natural surroundings and they led a very simple life. But धीरे धीरे क्या हुआ, वक्त के साथ हमारी नीड्स भी बढ़ी और हमारी कैपेबिलिटी एनवायरनमेंट को इफेक्ट करने की वो भी बढ़ी. सो इट इज़ बेसिकली द इफेक्ट दैट वी हैव ऑन द एनवायरनमेंट इज नोन एज द ह्यूमन एनवायरनमेंट. So I hope you like the chapter. Stay tuned for the next video. Please share this video with your friends.